welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Ujori and I am back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, I decided to come up looking like this, my cornrows being this rough and all of that, because I want to tell you guys about the hair I'm going to be using for this video. I'm using this hair named Everbay bundle hair. I used two bundles for just the wig and the closure. It comes with a lace closure. This is just the description of the wig itself, of the hair itself. I've been using this hair that's what I used in my previous video. It's a nice hair, but there are few lapses with this hair. I'm going to be wearing this wig for this. I made this hair into a wig, by the way. I made it into a wig myself. I'm going to do a side part today. Very soon I'm going to be coming up with hair videos more alongside makeup videos as well. I changed my mind guys, to the center part. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this video. And I am not yet on my earrings because my earrings are big, so I'm going to be keeping this aside before the makeup. So today's makeup though is going to be a cut crease. It's going to be a cut crease and a very beautiful one as that, and it's a Valentine date night makeup look. That's what I'm going to be doing because we're already in February and today is actually 1st of February. I'm just going to be packing my hair into a pony for any obstruction, guys. So I just went ahead and drew my brows and just set my eyes, prep them for my eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow I'm using the Blossom ice cream eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. I'm going to take this shade, this pink shade here. It's called Isabella. I'm going to use that as a transition color for my eyes. For some depth for my cut crease, I'm going to be taking this shade called Ima and this brown shade called Fion. These two shades, this and this. Taking the first big brush I use, I'm just going to blend all that together. Some more depth, I'm going to be taking the black shade and it's called Monica. I'm going to go into that same brush and blend that out. Taking this Ferrari concealer, I'm taking this particular shade to just cut my crease. Like, can you see my brush? Some parts are not measured, so I'm going to be taking that part out. I did that to my brush for precise application. Now you can see I can go and cut my crease now. So next up, I'm taking my Miss Yahoo palette and I am taking this shade from my Miss Yahoo palette and just putting that all over my cut crease. And just draw me a really nice wing. Next, I'm going to take my black pencil and just line my waterline. When I do my black pencil, I like kissing my eyes. I like kissing the pencil with my eye. I'm going to take a pencil brush and take this glitter and this glitter and put it underneath my eyes. Next, we are off to the face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline foundation in Fit Me Luminous Plus Million in the shade 355. Since it's a date night, we want this makeup to last, guys. We want it to last. I didn't use a primer. Normally when I want my makeup to last, I use the makeup magnesia. So guys, just note that down. I'm very sorry I didn't use a primer in this video, but if I am to make this makeup last going out on a daytime look, I use the makeup magnesium to prime, but I did not prime. The rest procedure will be given to you, but that's the only step that was skipped from this video, so I just took note of that. So guys, don't forget that. Date night, you want your makeup to last, use the makeup magnesium. Okay. For concealer, I'm using this shade of concealer for my Ferrari Stick concealer. I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyes. My Curie Ball, my shade, bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Taking my sponge, I'm just going to blend that into my skin. I'm just going to use the remedy to relax contour my face. Today's routine is pretty different because it is a date night look, guys. I'm taking the ZK palette, powder palette, and I'm taking these two shades to just set everywhere that I put my highlight concealer. I'm just pressing that in. This is actually part of making the makeup last. So next, I'm going to be taking the shade 14 to just contour my face and my nose. For some more locking of my makeup, I'm going to be taking my setting powder and just bake underneath my eyes specifically. I'm still going to use it to set the other places. To highlight my face, I'm taking my Any Lady 3D highlight and I'm taking Starlight to For lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Flawless Lip Gloss. It's in the shade VIP. I'm going to take that and just line my lips. And I'm taking this classic lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. So I'm going to go ahead and dust all the excess powder off my face, and I'm using this powder as well to just blend that out. Taking my Carrot setting dewy setting spray, I'm going to set this whole makeup in place, and I'll go ahead and fix my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back for some talk in slow-mos. So yes guys, this is it for this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys learned two more things from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on my social media platform, which is going to be down in the description bar. And I'm so grateful for the love you guys have been showing me on my YouTube channel, on my generally on my social media platform. The love has been crazy, and I'm grateful.